Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some sloppy Joe Tater tots, and oh my lord you guys, this is super duper simply amazingly delicious. Yes, so if you guys want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to make it. And if you like this video, please consider giving me a big thumbs up, and if you're also new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So if you guys are ready, let's get cooking. I have half a yellow onion and I'm just going to chop it up. You can go ahead and use whichever onion that you prefer. You can go ahead and use a whole onion too. And then here I have a green bell pepper, and I already took out the seeds and rinsed it. And then I'm just also going to chop it up. You can go ahead and also use the multicolors too, but this is what I have on hand, so this is what I'm using. On medium-high heat, I'm going to add in the ground beef. And then I'm just going to cook this until it's nice and browned. And then once it's brown, I'm going to add in the onions and also the bell peppers. And then I'm just going to give it a stir and cook this until the veggies are nice and tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, I'm going to add in the salt and black pepper, the garlic powder and onion powder, and then the smoked paprika. And then I'm just going to give it a stir, combine. And cook this for about 30 seconds. Okay, after 30 seconds, I'm going to add in the yellow mustard. And you can add a little bit more if you wish, along with the Worcestershire sauce, the apple cider vinegar, and this is tomato paste, along with some brown sugar, and then half cup of chicken broth or chicken stock. And then I'm just going to go in and give it a stir, combine everything well. This smells amazing. And I'm just going to cook it for about a minute. After 1 minute, I'm going to add in the cream cheese, and this is 4 ounces. And then I'm just going to cook this until the cream cheese is nice and melted. And then you also want to reduce the heat to medium-low. You do want to stir occasionally so it doesn't burn. Cream cheese is nice and melted. I'm going to add in the sweet canned corn. And I did drain. And then I'm just going to go in and give it another stir to combine. And then at this point, you can go ahead and turn off the stove. And then also taste for seasoning. But for me, this is perfect. In my casserole dish, I already greased a little bit of the side and the bottom. And then I'm going to dump in the mixture. And then I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to sprinkle on the shredded cheese. Okay. And then I'm going to dump in some of the tater tots. and I'm just going to line them up single layer, but you can go ahead and do double. You have extra, which that's probably what I might be doing. And do make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, I'm going to dump in a little bit more. Let's probably just dump in the whole thing. Okay, just going to fill a little bit on the bottom part. These right here, I'm just going to just spread them out on the top. There's not much, probably what, maybe a couple, or 8 to 10 on the top. This looks good. You don't have to put the second layer if you don't want to, just do the first layer only. But I don't want to waste any of these tots. Okay, now this is ready to go into the oven. Here is the end results of the Sloppy Joe Tater Tots. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.